Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2021 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we got a nice tow hitch, a nice V6 engine, blacked out Toyota Tacoma logo with a backup camera. We do get a hard tunnel cover as well, mud flaps on the rear, we have nice gripped running board steps, which is pretty nice. Blind spot detection and turn light indicated with mud flaps on the front. We do get window deflectors as well. And moving to the front, we have that nice license plate bracket and that nice Toyota grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space in the back. You got some floor mats, carpeted interior. We got little cup holders up here, and plenty of leg room. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Got your lights, your outlets, traction, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 89,254 kilometers. We do have a nice leather wrap steering wheel. We have our toggle for screens. We do have our park sensing, lane keeping, phone, mode, hold, voice, phone, toggle. And look in here, we do have our information about the vehicle, your digital speedometer, tank average, distance, trip reminder, take a rest. You have your compass. You have phone, tire pressure. Just going to tell me that I have no gas, which, fair, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select, parking brake, cup holders, and storage. You do get cup holders up here as well. The center console with even more storage. You get a wireless charging pad right there as well. Blind spot monitoring, you power. You got some rear window openers, which is pretty nice. You just flip it up and it's powered as well. Outlets, you can turn your wireless charging on from here. 12 volt, engine start, 4-wheel drive. Temperature controls, you do get dual climate, heated door mirrors, hazards. You got your climate controls here as well, it just displays what it's on. Heated front seats, you got storage below. Infotainment system. And above me we do have our features for our moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, and your SOS. Here we do have our home, which we have our audio, phone, and navigation. We're going to go to our main menu here. Destination, audio, phone, apps, where you do get authorization, remote connect, notifications, all that jazz. Here's what your audio would look like. You do have your sources such as your AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth, and USB. You can reorder it the way you like. Playlist, you can go through all that. Your navigation, seek, track, phone, and apps, Sirius XM, and an HD radio. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B7896A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.